Hey everyone, welcome back to Nostal Garden. Think you need a big backyard to grow fresh vegetables? Think again. Today we're revealing the absolute best vegetables that thrive in containers perfect for balconies, patios, and tiny urban spaces. Whether you're a complete beginner or experienced gardener, these top picks will transform your small space into a productive paradise. Tomatoes are the ultimate container garden champions, thriving beautifully in urban spaces when given proper care. Choose cherry or Roma varieties for best results, planting them in containers holding at least 10 gallons of soil. These sun-loving plants require sturdy support structures like cages or stakes to handle their growing weight. Position your containers in the sunniest spot available and maintain consistent watering to prevent blossom end rot. With proper attention, you'll harvest fresh, flavorful tomatoes all season long right from your balcony. Peppers offer incredible versatility for container gardeners, producing abundant harvests in surprisingly small spaces. Both sweet bell peppers and spicy varieties like jalapenos adapt wonderfully to medium-sized pots, typically requiring just 3 to 5 gallons of soil. These compact plants love sunny locations and warm temperatures, making them perfect for south-facing balconies. Peppers produce continuously throughout the growing season, providing you with fresh, crisp vegetables for months. Their colorful fruits transition from green to vibrant reds, yellows, and oranges, adding ornamental beauty to your urban garden. Lettuce and salad greens are perfect starter vegetables for container gardening beginners. These shallow-rooted plants thrive in containers just 6 to 8 inches deep, making them ideal for windowsills and small balconies. Plant a variety of lettuce types, spinach, arugula, and mesclun mixes for continuous harvests. The cut and come again harvesting method allows you to snip outer leaves while the plant keeps producing. Salad greens grow quickly, often ready to harvest within 3 to 4 weeks, giving you fresh, crisp salads throughout the season. Radishes are the speediest vegetables you can grow in containers, delivering satisfaction in record time. These fast-growing root vegetables mature in just 3 to 4 weeks, making them perfect for impatient gardeners or those new to container growing. Varieties like cherry bell and French breakfast thrive in shallow containers, requiring minimal space and care. Simply scatter seeds, keep the soil moist, and watch them grow rapidly. Radishes add peppery crunch to salads, and their quick turnover allows you to replant multiple times throughout the season. Carrots can absolutely thrive in containers when you choose the right varieties for your space. Short, round varieties like Paris Market, Thumbelina, and Littlefinger are specifically bred for container growing, developing perfectly in pots 12 to 18 inches deep. These compact carrots produce sweet, crunchy roots without requiring traditional garden beds. Fill your containers with loose, well-draining soil for best results. Both the roots and feathery tops are edible, giving you double the harvest. Container-grown carrots taste incredibly sweet and fresh right from your urban balcony garden. Green beans offer exceptional productivity in container gardens, especially when grown vertically. Bush bean varieties like Providers stay compact and manageable, while pole beans climb upward, maximizing limited floor space on balconies. Plant beans in containers at least 12 inches deep, providing climbing varieties with trellises or poles for support. These nitrogen-fixing plants actually improve your container soil while producing abundant harvests. Beans grow quickly and produce continuously when you harvest regularly, giving you fresh, crisp vegetables for weeks throughout the growing season. Spinach is an incredibly nutritious leafy green that adapts beautifully to container growing in urban spaces. This cool season vegetable actually prefers partial shade, making it perfect for less sunny balconies where tomatoes might struggle. Plant spinach in containers at least 8 inches deep with rich, moisture-retentive soil. Varieties like Baby Leaf and Bloomsdale Long-Standing provide tender, flavorful leaves packed with vitamins and minerals. Harvest outer leaves continuously while the plant keeps producing, giving you fresh spinach for salads and cooking throughout spring and fall. Kale is remarkably cold-hardy, actually improving in flavor after light frosts touch its leaves. This superfood vegetable thrives in containers as small as 2 gallons, making it perfect for tiny urban balconies. Varieties like Tuscan, Curly Leaf, and Red Russian provide both nutritional powerhouse greens and ornamental beauty with their textured foliage. Kale produces continuously throughout cooler months when many other vegetables stop growing. Simply harvest lower leaves as needed while the plant continues producing new growth at the top, providing fresh greens well into winter. Swiss chard delivers double benefits as both a productive vegetable and stunning ornamental plant. Rainbow and bright lights varieties display spectacular stems in vibrant colors including red, yellow, orange, white, and pink, creating living artwork on your balcony. The large, glossy leaves taste similar to spinach and provide nutritious greens throughout the growing season. Swiss chard tolerates both heat and light frost, producing reliably from spring through fall. Plant it in containers at least 12 inches deep and harvest outer leaves continuously for months of beautiful, delicious harvests. Zucchini and summer squash can successfully grow in containers with proper variety selection and container size. Choose compact varieties specifically bred for containers like Space Miser or 8 Ball, planting them in large containers holding at least 5 gallons of soil. These productive plants require full sun and consistent watering to produce their abundant harvests. 1 or 2 plants typically provide plenty of squash for most households. Position containers where you can easily access them for regular harvesting, as picking frequently encourages continued production throughout summer. Eggplant brings exotic beauty and delicious harvests to container gardens in sunny urban spaces. These heat-loving plants display gorgeous purple flowers before producing glossy fruits in traditional purple, white, or striking striped patterns. Eggplants need large containers, warm temperatures, and plenty of sunshine to thrive successfully. Varieties range from large traditional types to compact Asian varieties perfect for smaller pots. The plants serve double duty as ornamental features while producing fruits throughout summer. Harvest when fruits are glossy and firm for the best flavor and texture. Cucumbers adapt wonderfully to container growing when provided with vertical support structures. These vigorous vining plants climb readily up trellises, maximizing your limited balcony floor space while producing abundantly. Choose compact or bush varieties specifically recommended for containers, planting them in pots holding at least 5 gallons of soil. Cucumbers require consistent moisture and warm temperatures to produce their crisp, refreshing fruits. Harvest regularly to encourage continuous production throughout summer. Growing cucumbers vertically also improves air circulation, reducing disease problems common in traditional gardens. Beets provide exceptional value in container gardens, offering both nutritious roots and delicious greens from a single plant. These compact vegetables thrive in pots just 12 inches deep, making them perfect for windowsills and small balconies. Varieties come in traditional red, golden yellow, and striking striped Chard types. The leafy greens taste similar to Swiss chard and can be harvested early, while roots continue developing below. Beets tolerate cooler temperatures and partial shade, producing reliably in conditions where heat-loving vegetables might struggle in urban environments. Herbs are absolute essentials for container gardens, providing fresh flavors and continuous harvests in minimal space. Basil, parsley, thyme, mint, and cilantro thrive in small pots on windowsills, balconies, and railings. These aromatic plants complement your vegetable containers while serving as natural pest deterrents. Most herbs prefer well-draining soil and sunny locations, though parsley and mint tolerate partial shade. Harvest regularly by snipping stems and leaves, which encourages bushier growth and continuous production. Fresh herbs elevate your cooking while maximizing productivity in your tiny urban garden. Transform your tiny balcony into a highly productive garden through strategic vertical layering techniques. Position low containers with quick-growing lettuce and radishes on the floor level, mid-height planters on stands featuring tomatoes and peppers at eye level, and hanging baskets above with trailing herbs and strawberries. This three-dimensional approach maximizes every inch of available space, dramatically increasing your harvest potential. Consider light requirements when positioning plants, placing sun lovers in the brightest spots and shade-tolerant greens in shadier areas. Vertical gardening turns even the smallest urban balcony into an abundant, productive paradise. There you have it, 16 incredible vegetables that prove container gardening can be just as productive as traditional gardens. From quick-growing radishes to climbing cucumbers, these varieties maximize your harvest in minimal space. Start with a few easy options and watch your confidence grow along with your plants. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to Nostal Garden for more urban gardening tips, and drop a comment telling us which vegetable you'll try first.